Get this wrong and you're explaining to your manager why production is down because your deployed application doesn't match what's in your Git repository. This discrepancy can lead to a myriad of issues, from unexpected behavior to outright failures, emphasizing the need for a robust method to ensure consistency between your Git repository and your production environment. This is where GitOps comes into play, particularly with tools like ArgoCD, which integrates seamlessly with Kubernetes to manage deployments, enforce sync policies, and detect configuration drift. What it does, GitOps is a set of practices that uses Git as a single source of truth for declarative configuration and version control. ArgoCD is a GitOps tool that automates the deployment of applications to Kubernetes by continuously reconciling the desired application state defined in Git with the live state of the cluster. This ensures that the deployed application matches the configuration stored in the Git repository. Command, example. Breaking it down, the first command installs ArgoCD into the Kubernetes cluster by applying the installation manifest from the ArgoCD repository. The second command creates an application in ArgoCD named guestbook, specifying the Git repository URL, repo, the path within the repository to the application configuration path, and the destination Kubernetes server and namespace where the application should be deployed, dest server and dest namespace. Common mistakes. One common mistake is incorrectly specifying the repository URL or path, leading to ArgoCD being unable to sync the application. Another mistake is not properly configuring the destination server and namespace, which can result in the application being deployed to the wrong cluster or namespace. Try this next. To practice, try creating your own application in ArgoCD by specifying a different Git repository or path. This will help you understand how ArgoCD handles different application configurations and how to troubleshoot common issues. What it does, sync policies. ArgoCD allows you to define sync policies that control how and when your application is deployed or updated. This includes setting up automated syncs, specifying sync windows, and defining retry policies. Command, example. Breaking it down. This command updates the guestbook application in ArgoCD to use an automated sync policy, meaning that ArgoCD will automatically sync the application whenever changes are detected in the Git repository. Common mistakes. A common mistake is not properly configuring the sync policy, leading to unexpected behavior such as the application not being updated as expected or being updated too frequently. Try this next. Experiment with different sync policies to understand how they affect your application's deployment and updates. This includes setting up manual syncs, automated syncs, and sync windows to control when updates can occur. What it does, drift detection. ArgoCD provides drift detection capabilities that alert you when the live state of your application differs from the desired state defined in Git. This is crucial for maintaining consistency and ensuring that your production environment matches your Git repository. Command, example. Breaking it down. This command retrieves the status of the guestbook application, including its sync status and any detected drift. Common mistakes. A common mistake is not regularly checking the application status or ignoring drift warnings, which can lead to the application becoming out of sync with the Git repository. Try this next. Regularly check the status of your applications in ArgoCD and address any detected drift promptly. This will help maintain consistency between your Git repository and production environment. Pro tip: in production environments, it's crucial to set up notifications for drift detection and sync failures. This can be achieved by integrating ArgoCD with notification tools or platforms, ensuring that your team is alerted immediately when issues arise, allowing for swift action to maintain the integrity and consistency of your applications.